this is how to use reports in Referazon. All right, so the first thing you want to do is come over here to the reports section. And what this will do for you, and you can view it in either vertical format or horizontal, is this will allow you to quickly and easily keep track of the relationship building efforts that you have going on. Answer questions like, how many influencers do I have? How many people do I have in the pipeline? That sort of thing. What stage of the pipeline are they in? If you scroll down, you will see a day-by-day status of the total number of influencers you have in the software, how many need to be started, how many you're currently engaging with, how many you've reached out to, how many you're currently following up with, your second follow-up attempt, how many people you've placed in the status of no response, how many people that are currently in an ongoing discussion, how many people that you're currently negotiating a contract with, how many that either you rejected or they rejected you, and how many influencers do you currently have. These numbers come from your outreach tracker here, where you set their statuses, and you will see it as a one-to-one relationship. Reached out, following up, second follow-up. This is also represented in the graph form here, week over week, so you can get a sense of your progress. All right, and that's how to use reports. If you have any questions for us, please join our Facebook group or reach out to us on website chat. Thanks, everyone.